Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can integrate Asana with Google Calendar. So let's get right into it. To integrate Asana into Google Calendar, what you're going to want to be doing is exporting the data from a project that you are a part of. Now, as you can see, I'll be using this project, which you can see on my screen right now. And to export this, what you're going to want to do is over next to the name of the project, go and click on this arrow pointing down, which is project actions, and you'll get this menu. From here you need to go to export/print and click on Google Calendar. Now you can select iCal and other calendars, you can go and sync it to Google Sheets, but you're pretty much just going to want to click on Google Calendar, and here you'll see the instructions on how to sync Google Calendar and Asana, or Asana with Google Calendar. Now, as you can see, to sync it with Google Calendar, all you need to do is go to the Google Calendar website or app, and in the bottom left you need to find other calendars, select from URL, and then copy and paste this URL that you got here into your Google Calendar. Once you do this, which I, by the way, will not be doing, I don't want to mess up my Google Calendar, but when you do this, your Asana tasks and everything will be added as events to your Google Calendar, and once you're done, you'll have successfully integrated Asana into Google Calendar. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.